So, the December is here. All the companies are rolling out their Android 15 in their respective devices. Google also rolled out December 2024 security patch update to their all Pixel devices. This is the biggest update in the recent times after Android 15 has been launched. So in this video, let's see what's new in December 2024 update. But before going in, please do watch the video till end. And if you love the video, please do like the video and consider subscribing to the channel. Through this update, they improved the animations on the home screen. They added a new blur animation on the wallpaper while closing and opening an app. And there is another tweak on the always on display. They added a little bouncy effect when you tap on the screen, and they tweaked the animation for the widgets while you are closing the widget. The settings page in the Pixel devices had been redesigned, and they divided each category into a single block. Initially, it will hard to remember, but while using it regularly, it will become more useful. Now you can limit your Pixel battery charging at 80%. Along with the greatest battery optimization feature, adaptive charging, they added this new feature. This will mainly helpful to the guys who are willing to charge their phones over the night. Coming to the control panel, they added haptic feedback and increased the duration of opening of a module while holding on a particular block. Android 15 introduced archiving apps. When we archiving app, previously it shows the archive icon on top of the app icon. But now they redesigned the archive icon to the smaller one and positioned it at left of the app name. Full screen notifications are also optimized in the Pixel devices. If you are watching a video in the full screen mode, now the notification banner will appear smaller and more aesthetic. I know this feature is already there in another Android OSs, but the stock Android one is cool. These are some new tweaks and there are more. I'll make another video on the remaining ones also. Until then, stay subscribed. Thanks for watching.